Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. We're gonna be making a sandwich. We're gonna be making a grilled cheese sandwich. It's very easy to make. I'm gonna be making it with cheddar cheese. You can make it with any other cheese. You can mix and match cheeses, but today I chose to make it with cheddar because I like cheddar. Let's get into it.
Perfect.
So as you can see guys, it's very easy to make. Takes a few minutes and you're done, and it's very yummy, and the nice gooiness at the end when the cheese is melted is amazing. And don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also share with your friends and families. Also don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. The links are down below in the description box. And guys, until next time.